All right, thanks for clicking. Today we're going to be setting up a new Hot Wheels set for kids, and I'll be reviewing it. We'll be setting it up on carpet and hardwood for you to see how it works. So let's go ahead and get started. Here it is completely assembled with our little 4-year-old here. This is how it works. Super cool. But how does it hold up? What are the materials like? How do you assemble it and deassemble it? So this is the box that we recently purchased. I'll put links down below in the description, as I always do if you're interested. And this is pretty much what it looks like out of the box. We've got all of these individual pieces of orange track and all the connector pieces, and there's lots of other little accessories. The longer pieces you'll actually loop together like this, because this particular track includes 2 loops. So we'll be assembling that for you in just a minute, and then a carrying case. This is pretty convenient. You can take the all the pieces and put it inside these 2 blue parts that connect together, like kind of in this area. You just put that big piece on top of the other big piece, and it clips together. And when you separate the 2 blue pieces, it forms part of the track, right? So we'll get a look at that here in a second. But let's see how everything fits back in before we actually assemble it, and I show you how to set it up. And there's a little lid with a handle. Just clip it on. And the clips could be made a little stronger, I must admit, but you have to ask yourself, how often am I actually carrying this thing around, right? The idea is probably to have it stationary in one room, right? But if you do need to carry it, you can. So we'll assemble it on carpet first, because a big question you might have is, how does this thing perform on a soft floor? So the loops kind of fit together like this. Your longest piece of orange track will make the small loop, and then there's 2 medium-sized pieces of track that make the large loop. The instructions are pretty clear and self-explanatory as to what goes where. And once you have the loop assembled and connected to the yellow handle piece, you can take these little blue connector pieces. There should be 6 or 8 or something like that, and they clip together like this. Very smooth and very secure. Note the orientation of the blue connector pieces. They can't be facing down or they have to be facing up. So rewind the video and you can see how that works again, and I'll show you again in a future clip. So stay with me here. Now this is the little ramp piece, and one advantage of this track is that you can assemble it in, there's no necessarily right or wrong way, right? So you can, put this piece here or move it over there or whatnot. So, and then one of the blue pieces here makes a little U shape. So that's kind of cool. So you can send the car kind of flying around the corner. So this is kind of what it looks like. And we'll have the kiddo test this out. Now the yellow piece that he just put into the circle is a cartridge that allows you to hold up to 4 cars. So you can just kind of put it in there and boom, 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 pop them out and then refill it. So that's a nice little feature. You don't have to have the cartridge either. You can put the cars in directly like this. Make sure it's oriented the correct way, and then press the button and you send the car launching off down the track that you assign it. And then to move it down another track, you can rotate that large circle with the button and it sends the car the other way. So here's another look at that cartridge and what that looks like. Note we're also set up on hardwood here. So no problems with carpet at all. Equal to the hardwood. So hard or soft floors, this is a great Hot Wheels track. So see what I mean here? You can move that circular piece and then send the car down it kind of shoots it off down that track as opposed to the track to the left. And again, you don't have to have that cartridge. If you only have one car, it's kind of annoying to get the cartridge every time. Let's get another view here of this track all set up. How cool is that? So a great toy we've got a 4-year-old and a 7-year-old, and both of them absolutely love it. There's a lot of variety. It comes you can deassemble it and travel with it if you need to. The plastic, note how it bends, is really high quality. It's not like it's going to be brittle and break on you. It's very flexible, so I was impressed by that. And the connector pieces are all securely fastened. They don't slip out or anything. There's another view. Look at that. And then to take it apart, you kind of bend it upward toward you and then pull it out if you need to take these apart. Again, check the flexibility here. Everything very smooth. And the loop connector is also secure and flexible, so it can withstand some impact from kiddos' play. It's not going to undo on you. So overall, very impressed with this set. The kids absolutely love it. So that is how you get it set up. It works, again, well on soft floors or hard floors. It takes apart really well, and you can travel with it. Very kid-friendly, and this set is overall highly recommended. So we'll stop the video there, and hopefully this has helped you out. Don't forget to subscribe and click that like button if this has helped you. Thanks.